All tech innovations need a dedicated and skilled development team. Whether your project needs a software or hardware development, a team that handles a full range of various technologies from web, mobile, big data, IoT, and electronics developments, to product manufacturing, all in one place. Accelerating the time to market of your solution while reducing your development costs, and transforming your project idea to a fully functional and market-ready solution. Introducing Microctan's one-stop software and hardware development service. We know what it takes to develop a solution, and will make sure you succeed.